So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn French Revolution part 2. Before starting with the lesson, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to get the quick notifications of my channel, and please like share the video for your friends to get to know about my channel. So let us start now. So last session I gave you some of the questions and you had to answer it. So here are the answers of this question. You may take a quick screenshot of these answers to tally your answer with your answers. Right? So moving on to our topic for today, that is France old regime. So monarchy didn't had power to impose the taxes now. Now, monarchy didn't have power to impose taxes. Monarch had to call a meeting of State General. It was last called in. What? You have to tell me in the comment section below. So, State General would pass a proposal of taxes. So, now it couldn't impose the taxes because everyone was the third estate was very much aggressive now. So the king called an state general meeting to impose the taxes. So look at this diagram, very beautifully told set diagram over here is this. On 5th May 1789, the state general was called. First and second estate were sent 300 representatives each, and the third estate had sent 600 representatives. The third estate demanded for the members of one member, one vote. This was demand of third estate. Fifth point, the king rejected and the third estate walked out of the assembly. Okay, this is like a chain. So take a quick screenshot of this diagram. So I'll be moving to the next one now. Okay. So on 20th of June 1789, 20th of June 1789, a third estate members assembled in the indoor hall, assembled in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the grounds of Versailles and declared themselves as a national assembly. National assembly declare कर दिया खुद को. They take a शपथ लेते हैं, पता है ना हमें. तो they took a sworn, they took a oath to draft the constitution of France and limit the powers of the king. Limitation powers, जो king को powers दी गई है उन powers को हमें limitation में लाना है. This what was said by the third estate people now. Right, so you can see here, right, this is a figure of indoor tennis court where all the members of third estate have gathered. So the assembly was led by Mirabeau and Abbassias. Now, who were these people? Let me tell you. Mirabeau was a powerful speechist and assembled in the crowd of Versailles. Assembled at Versailles. And who was Abbassias? Abbassias was pamphlet, influential pamphlet called as What is Third Estate? He wrote the pamphlet. What is third estate, right? So these were the two great philosophers. Now when we talk about the conditions in France were the very severe now. very bad conditions, very severe conditions were there. First was winter was brought the bad harvest. Of course, very bad winter, bad harvest. The prices of the bread rose because of the situation. Prices of bread rose. Okay, so it is like a chain. Because of this, people spend hours in long queues in bakery, and because of this, angry crowd stormed into the uh, bread shop at the same time when the king ordered the troops to move Paris. So this is also like a chain, right? Now, very important thing, 14th of July 1789, the crowd, the alligated crowd stormed and destroyed in Bastille. What is Bastille? You have to tell me in comment section now. Where is Bastille? Why they stormed into Bastille? I will telling you why they stormed into Bastille. You have to tell me why. What was the reason? Why only Bastille? Not why not any other place? Why only Bastille? You have to tell me in the comment section. So the rumors were spread out that the crowd, the rumors were spread that the king's troops would be coming and destroying the ripe crops. So the angry peasants attacked the state building castle, and they looted all the grains and destroyed the records of the documents. This was a rumor, but they did it. And how the French society became a constitutional monarch now. Sorry, this we have to do. So, when we come to the part that is Louis XVI finally recognized as the National Assembly. Louis XVI said that now this is a National Assembly. Now the state would be run by the National Assembly. The August Decree 1789, feudal system and taxes abolished. Taxes and this feudal system given to them by the birth was abolished. And members of clergy had to give up their privileges. Clergy and nobility had to give up their privileges, and tithes was abolished, and the land of churches were confiscated. That means the land of church was taken from them. France became constitutional monarch. The National Assembly completed the drafting of the constitution in 1791, and the main objective was to limit the powers of monarch. The powers were separated in legislature, executive, and judiciary. These were the ideas of whom? John Locke, Jane Jacob Rousseau, or Montesquieu? You have to tell me now. Because if you see the last session, you will understand everything. Whose ideas were there? I even wrote, there was a half word written legislature, so I wrote it. You can remember it. Okay, who have seen my last session. So this is a diagram, very good diagram given in our textbooks. So first is judiciary, judge, vote, control. You can just go through it. Now, who are active citizens, passive citizens? Active citizens are those people who active citizens are entitled to be vote. That means they have the voting rights. And passive citizens are people which have no voting rights. About 3 million men, women and children, youth below the age of 25. So active citizens were entitled to be vote. 4 million people of 28 million were active citizens, right? Very important thing you can understand. Now next is the National Assembly. National Assembly powers to make laws. Elections, indirectly elected by the active citizens. Eligibility, ठीक है, eligibility was as belonging to the highest brackets of taxpayers. Two types of citizens were there, which were the citizens, active citizens and passive citizens. Who were active citizens? Men about 25 years and who paid taxes equal to the wages, 3 days wages of the labor. Who were passive citizens? Remaining all men and women and children. Declaration of the rights of the men and citizens. So this is very, in our textbook it is given very big, so here I've done it really short. So first is right to life, second is freedom to speech, third is freedom for opinion, fourth is freedom before equality before law, and fifth is all these are natural and the inalienable rights which belong to each human being by birth and couldn't be taken away. So very important 1 mark of questions and you have to give the answers in the comment section below. Comment में इसका आंसर देना है मुझे, right? So first question is, when did Bastille was when the people attacked Bastille? 25th August 1789, 14 July 1789, 18 July 1789 or 16 July 1789. Very important hint I will be giving you. Independence Day of France. France का Independence Day था उस दिन. Today it is celebrated as the Independence Day of France. Just tell me in the comment section which is the answer for this question. Second question. Constitution of 1791 gave powers to make laws to whom? लॉ बनाने की पावर किसे दी थी? क्लर्जी, स्टेट जनरल, नेशनल असेंबली, monarch? Tell the answers in the comment section. Third question. Where did the third state form the National Assembly? A. Indoor badminton court, B. Indoor tennis court, C. State resident, D. Church. Okay, so this is the end. I would again request you to give me the answers in the comment section, right? And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get the quick notifications of my videos when I upload. Okay, so bye, have a good day, bye.